Consultation and Requirement Workshops for Software Development. Welcome to our Consultation and Requirement Workshops training. Understand the importance of consultation and requirement workshops. Identify business problems accurately through workshops. Evaluate technical and legal feasibility of software requirements. Recognize the benefits of early detection of potential issues. Here are the critical aspects and how to leverage them effectively. Consultation and requirement workshops pinpoint your software needs effectively. How to conduct. Engage stakeholders, define objectives, and clarify scope. Action. Document findings thoroughly and facilitate discussions. Identifying business problems allows targeted solutions to develop. How to identify. Utilize brainstorming sessions and surveys to uncover issues. Action. Prioritize problems based on impact and urgency. Technical and regulatory assessment ensures your plans are achievable. How to evaluate. Consult with experts to assess viability and compliance. Action. Adjust plans based on feedback from feasibility reports. Cost-effective consulting services simplify your implementation journey. How to utilize. Select services that align with your specific needs and budget. Action. Seek proposals from multiple providers to compare offerings. Now let's review knowledge retention through a couple of real-life scenarios. Your team faces a software development delay. What steps can you take? Pause and assess. Revisit the workshops and clarify unclear points. Your action should be: schedule follow-up discussions to refine requirements. Imagine uncovering regulatory issues during project planning. What should you do? Pause and verify. Assess the implications and consult with a legal team. If confirmed, update project plans and inform stakeholders immediately. Workshops are crucial for tailored software solutions. Early identification of issues saves costs. Feasibility assessments lead to realistic development plans. Visit www.syeratech.com to start your consultation today and unlock exclusive benefits. Thank you for participating in our Consultation and Requirement Workshops training.